Welcome to the garden. It's spring, it's a beautiful day, and time to get growing, time to get this garden started and get it in. So what's the first thing we need to do? We need to feed it. All good gardens, all good plants need lots of food, but I don't like to put on lots of chemicals. So my fabulous husband Fred has come up with a way to harvest some of the trees in the area from the local tree cutters, and we compost them down and turn them into wonderful, what I call black gold. So take a walk with me to Mount Chipmore and a few of our other chip mountains, and I will show you how the process happens. Let's go. As we're walking along, I'm walking backwards, so I hope I don't fall over here. I'm kind of new to this, so I'm having a good time, though. I hope you are too. As you can see, here is our first chip mountain, Tree Crumb Hill. We kind of named these because we thought the grandkids would have a good time. When they come to visit, they like to slide down them, run around them, hop up and down them, and in general, try to get Grandma and Grandpa to keep up with them. Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't, but it's a lot of fun. So as we come into this second section here, you can see the dirt is going from, or the tree crumbs actually, are going from a lighter color to a much darker color. Back there, it's probably been rotting down about 3 years now, and it's starting to turn into some nice, rich, organic material. And on the other side of this is a new pile that we have right here, but on the other side of it, you will see what I call the vineyard. This is actually pretty much completely rotted down material, some of which we're going to be taking today and putting on our garden as composted fertilizer. However, once these piles get flattened down, as this pile over here to the right is, come June, early June, late May, we'll be planting our viney type things in it. Our our squash, our pumpkins, our gourds, and all the things that like to run around, and that way the vines can run off the piles, up Chip Mountain, up the mulch, and send down lots of runners and get lots of nutrition to grow. Hey, we're back. I've got my handy, I guess I call them fabric staples. I've pre-pulled all the fabric staples out of the fabric. What we're going to be doing is rolling the fabric back so that we can put the organic, well-composted fertilizer on the garden. You'll notice as you look at the fabric, it's been in the garden probably about 10 years now. It's professional grade landscaping fabric. In addition to that, you'll see there are hoses. This is my watering drip system. Each plant has a hole that I've cut in the fabric, and each plant gets its own dripper. I then can put these on a timer and set the needs for the plants. And I have a feeder hose here that I connect them to that comes from the water source. So each plant gets just what it needs when it needs. So let's go ahead and get going with getting our fabric up. started, I realized I didn't have cool boots. I only had tennis shoes. Okay, but not great. However, my daughter, who happens to be filming this, has cool boots. She lent them to me. Now, obviously, I gotta get cool boots. So here's how you can help me get cool boots. We are gonna let you vote and maybe even post pictures as to what boots would be cool for me to wear in these gardening videos. So, like my video, send me your suggestions, and I don't know what it'll be yet, but the winner's gonna get something cool, just like these boots. Much better. Love the boots. Can't wait to see what y'all pick out. We're back for the next to the last stage. Last stage will be to put the fabric back. This stage is now we have to mix in all that good food so the plants have it not only on the top of the ground, but down where their roots are going to go. So to do that, I have my rear tine rototiller. Let's start it up. Got it done. This is SIS. Simple is smart. This is the simple way to weed my garden for not 1 year, but the next at least 3 to 5 years until I do all of this again. In addition to not having to weed, I also fertilize my garden for the next 3 to 5 years. Probably just 3 years, because I have so much of this good, what I call organic gold, or black gold, to put down on the garden. Got it done. It looks great. Can't wait. Let's get planting.